this event is of very, very high importance to us. You are already the winner. You are the chosen few.
We had 5,000 teams who had originally, we started with. And then we brought it down to a smaller number, and then to a smaller number, and then to a tiny number, which is you guys. And now we have 5 people. So you guys are already, 1 in 1,000.
From the beginning to end, we faced many challenges, like some anti-forces working against that, like that. But we overcome and reached until now.
And for this specific project, we're going to take this type of technology and we're going to apply it to a very critical economic technology for warehouse management. Now, as you go through that process of innovation, I just want to remind you that you will encounter barriers, but that's when the innovation starts. That's where the rigor that you need to employ to continue to find new ways to break down barriers and find solutions of tomorrow.
Namaste to all of you innovators, students, chief nerds in India. Namaste to all of you who join us for this year's AIM. You know, our little toy rover that this year is completely focusing not only on the self-driving activities, but also on heavy-duty AI-enabled warehouse tasks.
We got registration from every single state of India. With that, NXP AIM has gone through Pan-India.
So the students develop the robotic skills, the operating system skills, the basic introduction to the Linux, the embedded system through this competition like this.
We did not have any prior knowledge of ROS. So we learned from the basics about the nodes and how all the sensors are working.
All of you that represent the future of innovation, the future of the technological advancement that will come out of this country and that will drive not just NXP, but also our industry as a whole, our country as a whole.